Hello and welcome to Shiny Crochet. This is part 6 of my Giant Tiger Plush series. See the card above for the trailer video which covers the normal introduction information, such as yarn, hook size, and where to find the PDF pattern. As always, if you have any questions, drop a comment below with as much info as you can so I can help. This video will cover making the belly, which will need the cream yarn. The belly is a large oval-ish patch and is worked in rows. At the end of each row is chain 1 and turn. Row 1 starts with chain 10, One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then starting one stitch away from the hook, complete 9 single crochet along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Chain 1 and turn. Row 2 is 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Chain 1 and turn. Row 3 starts with 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, then single crochet increase. 5 and 6, then 4 single crochet. 7, 8, 9, 10, chain 1 and turn. Row 4 is 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chain 1 and turn. Row 5 is the same as row 4. Row 6 starts with 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, then single crochet increase. 4 and 5, then 2 single crochet. 6, 7, then single crochet increase. 8 and 9, finishing with 3 single crochet. 10, 11, 12. Chain 1 and turn. Row 7 is 12 single crochet along. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. Chain 1 and turn. You may add a stitch marker to help keep the row count of the next few rows. Rows 8 to 12 are the same as row 7. Row 13 starts with 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then a single crochet increase. 5 and 6, then 2 single crochet, 7, 8, then single crochet increase, 9 and 10, finishing with 4 single crochet, 11, 12, 13, 14, chain 1 and turn. Row 14 is 14 single crochet along, 1, 2, 3, 11, 12, 13, 14, chain 1 and turn. You may add a stitch marker to help keep the row count of the next few rows. Rows 15 to 21 are the same as row 14. Row 22 starts with 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, then a single crochet increase, 5 and 6, then 4 single crochet, 7, 8, 9, 10, then a single crochet increase, 11 and 12, finishing with 4 single crochet, 13, 14, 15, 16, chain 1 and turn. Row 23 is 16 single crochet along, 1, 2, 3, 4, 14, 15, 16, chain 1 and turn. You may add a stitch marker to help keep the row count of the next few rows. Rows 24 to 30 are the same as row 23. Row 31 starts with 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then single crochet increase, 6 and 7, then 4 single crochet, 8, 9, 10, 11, then single crochet increase, 12 and 13, finishing with 5 single crochet, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, chain 1 and turn. Row 32 is 18 single crochet along, 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, 16, 17, 18, chain 1 and turn. You may add a stitch marker to help keep the row count of the next few rows. Rows 33 to 39 is the same as row 32. Row 40 starts with 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then single crochet increase. 6 and 7, then 6 single crochet. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then single crochet increase. 14 and 15, then 5 single crochet. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Chain 1 and turn. Row 41 is 20 single crochet along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 18, 19, 20. Chain 1 and turn. You may add a stitch marker to help keep the row count of the next few rows. Rows 42 to 44 are the same as row 41. Row 45 starts with 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then single crochet decrease. 6, 6. Then 6 single crochet. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then single crochet decrease. 13, 13, then 5 single crochet. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Chain 1 and turn. Row 46 is 18 single crochet along. 1, 2, 3, 4. 16, 17, 18. Chain 1 and turn. Row 47 starts with 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then a single crochet decrease. 5, 5. Then 6 single crochet. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then a single crochet decrease. 12, 12. Then 4 single crochet. 13, 14, 15, 16. Chain 1 and turn. Row 48 is 16 single crochet along. 1, 2, 3, 4. 14, 15, 16. Chain 1 and turn. Row 49 starts with 2 single crochet. 1, 2, then a single crochet decrease. 3, 3. Then 2 single crochet. 4, 5, then 2 single crochet decreases. 6, 6, 7, 7. Then 2 single crochet. 8, 9, then a single crochet decrease. 10, 10. Then 2 single crochet. 11, 12. Chain 1 and turn. Row 50 is 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 11, 12. Chain 1 and turn. Row 51 starts with 1 single crochet, 1, then single crochet decrease, 2, 2, then 1 single crochet, 3, then 2 single crochet decreases, 4, 4, 5, 5, then 1 single crochet, 6, then a single crochet decrease, 7, 7, then a single crochet, 8, chain 1 and turn. Row 52 is 8 single crochet along, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, chain 1 and turn. Row 53 starts with 1 single crochet, 1, then a single crochet decrease, 2, 2, then 2 single crochet, 3, 4, then a single crochet decrease, 5, 5, then a single crochet, 6, chain 1 and turn. Row 54 is 6 single crochet along, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tie off. And cut a long tail. This will be used to sew the patch onto the torso. Sew in the starting tail. And that's a wrap. This part is done. Be sure to share on social media. I'd love to see your makes. Tag at Shiny Crochet and use hashtag ShinyGiantCat so others can find it too. In 2 weeks, the next part will be available. The card above is a playlist for this series. I will add each video as they are released. If you haven't, be sure to subscribe to the channel to stay in the loop. Have a lovely day.